Hey guys, it's Ashley and welcome back to my channel, Hello Sparkles. Today I just had a real quick video for you guys about a referral code for this resin right here. You get 5% off your next purchase with them. They are a great company. I have nothing but high remarks for them. Their customer service is excellent. I've already done a review on them. If you've already seen, I will link it up here on my channel. I think it's here. I don't know because it's reverse. I forget. So it's probably here. Anyway, I will link it. The review on this resin right here. I love it. Go check it out. It's 5% off your next purchase with them through their website. The link will be in my description below. I mean, come on, it's great resin. If I'm talking highly about it, you know you're gonna love it. Go check it out. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I do have some videos coming up for you guys I've been working on. It's just taking me a little bit longer because I've had some stuff happen with my back. I'm feeling much better today, but we've got other things planned for today, so I can't finish them. That's beside the point. You guys are getting this video as a quick video. Go check this out. Link in my description below. 5% off. It's great. Go do it. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye!